Hello everybody, welcome to With Math. This is about the important type of questions which may appear in the Math 10th CBSE board exam from quadratic equations. There are three main types of questions. Let us take a look about the first one. So let's start. Find the roots of first type of question here. Find the roots of quadratic equation or find the value of x. So that is the unknown term. And the first one is root 3x square minus 2x minus 8 root 3. So type 1 asks to find the roots of quadratic equations. And if we can do this by two methods. Let us take a look about the first method. Multiplying the last two terms, we will get 24x square, right? 8 into root 3 into root 3 is 24 x square, and if we add or subtract, we should get 2x, that is minus 2x. So it is 6x and then 4x, minus 6x and 4x plus 4x. So let's substitute this. Root 3x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. So now this will be equal to let us group the terms, and then the common term in the first group is root 3x, and we are left with x minus 2 root 3 plus, and the common term here is 4 into x minus 2 root 3. And if we look into the common factor here, it is x minus 2 root 3 is the common factor into root 3x plus 4. Therefore, these are the two factors and we need to find out the value of x. So, they are the roots of this quadratic equation. That will be equal to root 3x plus 4 equal to 0, or x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. And root 3x is equal to minus 4, or x is equal to plus 2 root 3. And this will be x is equal to minus 4 by root 3. This is the root of given equation, or x is equal to 2 root 3. This is the other root of the given quadratic equation. So this is the first method, and we will go for the second method. Second method is using the quadratic formula. So x is equal to minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And a is, in this case, it is root 3. B is minus 2 and C is minus 8. Let us substitute these things. Minus of minus 2 plus r minus root of minus 2 whole square minus 4 into root 3 into minus 8. So these are the values which we have substituted in the numerator, and in denominator 2 into root 3. If you simplify this, we will get plus 2 plus r minus square root of plus 4 minus into minus plus it will be 32 into this is root 3 minus 8 root 3. Okay, now 8 fours are 32, minus into minus plus root 3 into root 3 is into 3 divided by 2 root 3. Therefore, x will be equal to 2 plus r minus square root of 4 plus 32 3s are 96 divided by 2 root 3. And x will be equal to 2 plus r minus square root of 100 divided by 2 root 3. So, x is equal to 2 plus r minus square root of 100 is 10 by 2 root 3. Now, it is x is equal to 2 plus 10 by 2 root 3, or x is equal to 2 minus 10 by 2 root 3. So, x is equal to 12 by 2 root 3, or x is equal to minus 8 by 2 root 3. And if we simplify this, we will get x is equal to 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 by 6 by root 3, or x is equal to 2 ones are 2 4s are minus 4 by root 3, x is equal to, and if we simplify this, we will get x is equal to This 6 can be written as 3 into 3 by root 3, and that will be x is equal to root 3 ones are root 3 threes are. So it will be, sorry, it is 2 into 3. 2 into 3, so it is 2 root 3. X is 2 root 3 or x is minus 4 by root 3, which we have got from the first method also, same values. Okay, we'll go for the second type of the questions in this quadratic equation. They are, that is what they are going to ask us. They will give us solve for x by framing quadratic equation. We have to frame the quadratic equation from the given equation. In the first type, they will give the equation for us, direct quadratic equation. Now in this, we have to frame the quadratic equation. So okay, let us start. And this is what they have given. We can cross multiply this. So if we cross multiply, we will get x plus 3 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 7 into x plus 2. Okay. And if we multiply this, we will get if you multiply, we will get like this. It is x into 2x minus 3 plus 3 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 3x into x plus 2 minus 7 into x plus 2. And if we multiply the terms, then we will get 2x square minus 3x plus 6x minus 9 equal to 3x square plus 6x minus 7x plus, sorry, it is minus 14. Minus 14. And if we simplify this, we will get, here we have minus 3x plus 6x. So that we can simplify, we will get 2x square plus 3x minus 9 equal to 3x square, and this we can simplify, will be equal to minus x minus 14. Let us get these things to the right hand side. We will get 3x square minus x minus 14 minus 2x square minus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. 3x square minus 2x square is x square, and minus x minus 3x is equal to minus 4x. Minus 14 plus 9, that will be equal to minus 5 equal to 0. And now whichever method you are using, you can use to find the roots of this. Whether you want to take up this 5x square, splitting the middle term, minus 5x square, it will be minus 5x plus 1x. So x square minus 5x plus x minus 5 equal to 0. Common factor of the first two terms, x is the common factor, x minus 5 plus 1 is the common factor here, x minus 5. So x plus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 5. So minus 1, this is minus 1. Minus 1 or x is equal to 5. So this is from the first method we have got it, and let us see whether we are getting the same thing for the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And we have the equation. Equation is x square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0, wherein a is 1, b is minus 4, c is minus 5. Let us substitute them here. We get minus of minus 4 plus or minus square root of b square is minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 5 minus 5. It is minus 5. So minus 5 divided by 2 into 1. So that is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 plus 20 divided by 2. and this will be equal to, we can 4 plus or minus, this is root 36 by 2. So x is equal to 4 plus or minus 6 by 2. That implies x is equal to 4 plus 6 by 2 or x is equal to 4 minus 6 by 2. So x is equal to 10 by 2 or x is equal to minus 2 by 2, and x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 1. So which we got the same thing from the first method also. Fine. So this is about the type 2 question, first one. And we'll go for the second one, type 2, second one. Yes, type 2. Framing quadratic equation by the given statement. So now statement is there and we have to frame the quadratic equation for that. Let us take a look about the first one here. At t times past 2 p.m. the time needed by the minute hand of clock to show 3 p.m. was found to be 3 minutes less than t square by 4 minutes. Find t. So we need to find t. Yes, we'll go here with this. Now what has been given? Time taken by the minute hand to travel from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. What is this? Time taken by minute hand to travel from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. is equal to 60 minutes. We know that it is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, t minutes past 2 p.m. the time needed to show 3 p.m. will be equal to 60 minus t. So it is lagging that much. That is equal to 3 minutes less than what they have given. It is 3 minutes less than t square by 4. They have given this. So let us write down the equation for this. 60 minus t is equal to t square by 4 minus 3. 3 minutes less than this, so t square minus 4 by 3. Now we'll take the LCM at the right hand side. It is 4. T square minus 3 4s are 12. So that will be, we'll cross multiply. We'll get 4 into 60 minus t is equal to t square minus 12. And it will be equal to 240 minus 40 is equal to t square minus 12. We'll shift this to the right side. It will be t square minus 12 minus 240 plus 40 is equal to 0. If we write down the equation, t square plus 40 minus, it is 252 equal to 0. And now it is left to your choice whether you are taking the equation or splitting the middle term. That's left to your choice. You can do in whichever way you want to. But I will take the formula a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to minus 252. Let us substitute these values in the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x is equal to minus of 4 plus 4, 4 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 256. Minus 256 divided by 2a, 2 into 1. So x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squares are 16 and minus into minus plus 252 4s are 1008 divided by 2. So x will be equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 1024 divided by 2. Now 1024 square root, how do we find out? If you people know, that's fine. 3 3s, I will group the numbers. 2, 2, then 9, 3, 6. It is 124. So 2s are 62, 2s are 124. So 32 is a square root. X is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 32 by 2. So x will be equal to minus 4 plus or minus, no, it is, we can take like this, plus, sorry, this will be square root we have taken, so it should be 32, not square root of 32. Minus 4 plus 32 by 2, or x will be equal to minus 4 minus 32 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to, this will be equal to 28 by 2, that is 14 minutes. And the other one, x is equal to minus 36 by 2, that is minus 18 minutes. So, time cannot be negative. This is ruled out. Therefore, answer is 14 minutes. Okay. This is about the second type, and we'll go for the third type. Third type is all related with the nature of roots. Okay. So, nature of roots, that is when the quadratic equation will have the roots, when that is b square minus 4ac, discriminant, is greater than or equal to 0, then it will have the real roots that we know. So, we'll start with the first question numerical. What they have given for us is, if x is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to minus 3 are the roots of quadratic equation ax square plus 7x plus b is equal to 0, find the values of a and b. So, we need to find the value of this a and this b. Fine, we'll start. They have given x, two roots are given. So, sum of roots if we take, we'll take sum of roots. Sum of roots is equal to minus b by a. What is b? What is a? We'll write down. A is a itself, b is 7 and c is b. According to this quadratic equation, we have to write down the values. And sum of roots, it is sum of roots we have 2 by 3 minus 3. So, 2 by 3 plus of minus 3 is equal to minus 7 by a is a itself. And this will be 2 by 3 minus 3 is equal to minus 7 by a. Now, if we simplify this LHS side, we'll get 2 by, it is 3 is the LCM, 2 minus 9 is equal to minus 7 by a. That is minus 7 by 3 is equal to minus 7 by a. Minus 7 and minus 7 gets cancelled. Therefore, a is equal to 3. This is the answer. A is equal to 3. Now, we'll go for the product of roots. Product of roots is equal to c by a. C is b and a is, we have what? 3. So, this is what we have, the value of a. And product of roots is 2 by 3 into minus 3. 3 and 3 from the LHS and RHS which are in the denominator will get cancelled. Therefore, b is equal to 2 3s are 6 and it is minus 6. So, we got the values a and b. So, this is the first type. In third type, this is the first kind of question what we get in the quadratic equation. Then the second one, what is the value of k for which 3 is a root of the quadratic equation? Fine. So, they have given, we need to find out the value of k when they have given one root for us. Okay. What they have given? It is x is equal to 3 they have given for us. This is one value they have given. And let us substitute that. What we have? Kx square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. When it is a root, then we can substitute in the equation in the place of x, if you substitute 3 square minus 7 into 3 plus 3 equal to 0. It will be 3 3s are 9k minus 21 plus 3 equal to 0. 9k is equal to 9k minus 18 equal to 0. Therefore 9k is equal to plus 18. K is equal to 18 by 9. K is equal to 2. So the value of k is 2. Now third kind of question in third main, that is type 3. What is the value of or values of k for which the equation kx square minus kx plus 1 equal to 0 has equal roots? So they have equal roots, then what is the value or values of k they have asked? So what is, let us take the equation kx square minus kx plus 1 equal to 0. In this case a is equal to k and b is equal to minus k and c is equal to 1. This is the information we have. Now it has equal roots. When it has equal roots, then discriminant b square minus 2ac will be equal to 0. Let us substitute these values in the equation. We'll get minus k whole square minus 2 into k into 1 equal to 0. Therefore, k square minus 2k equal to 0 and k is common factor. So, k into k minus 2 equal to 0. So, k equal to 0 or k minus 2 is equal to 0. So, we take it as k minus 2 equal to 0. So, k is equal to 2. So, value of k is 2. Okay. For this value, the equation will have equal roots. Okay, we will go for the next one, D, in type 3. If the roots of the equation a square plus b square x square minus 2b into a plus c into x plus b square plus c square is equal to 0 are equal, then find b square. Okay, let's start. This, let us write down the given equation a square plus b square into x square minus 2b into a plus c into x plus b square plus c square equal to 0. Let us compare this with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, a is equal to a square plus b square. So, a is equal to a square plus b square and b is equal to minus 2b into a plus c and c is equal to b square plus c square. Okay, and what we have is here they are equal, right? The roots are equal. Therefore, the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now, b square is how much? Let us substitute that. We have b square minus 2b into a plus c whole square minus 4 into a square plus b square into b square plus c square. C is b square plus c square equal to 0. And we will simplify this. Minus 2b whole square will be equal to 4b square into a plus c whole square minus 4 into, multiplying these terms, we will get a square b square plus a square c square plus b power 4 plus b square c square equal to 0. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. So, how do we write down that? It will be equal to a square plus c square plus 2ab minus, let us multiply the whole thing by 4. We will get 4a square b square minus 4a square b square minus 4a square c square minus 4b power 4 minus 4b square c square equal to 0. Now, multiplying this with 4b square, we will get 4a square b square plus 4b square c square plus 8a b cube minus 4a square b square minus 4a square c square. This is c here. This is c. So this will be a. This is a b square c square. Okay. And this will be equal to minus 4b square c square equal to 0. No, I have left b power 4, 4b power 4. It is minus 4b power 4 minus 4b square c square equal to 0. Okay. Now plus 4a square b square minus 4a square b square gets cancelled. Then we have this is, I have to write here. This is correct. This is b square c square itself, and now if I multiply these two, I'll get a b square c. Sorry. This is b square c square plus b square c square minus b square c square gets cancelled, and we are left with the equation 8ab square c minus 4a square c minus 4b power 4 equal to 0. Now, if I write down this one in a simple term, then what we are getting? We will get this as, let us multiply the whole thing with minus 1, then it will be easy for us to understand. This will become, I will just reshuffle it, plus 4b power 4, then minus 8ab square c plus 4a square c square equal to 0. And this will be, we can write it as 2b square whole square minus, and I can write this as 2ac whole square equal to 0. And the center term, we can split that center term, 2ab, right? A square minus 2ab plus b square. It is in the form of that. So it will be 2 into a is 2b square. So 2b square, and b is it is 2ac. So if you multiply this, we'll get 8ab square, and this can be written as 2b square minus 2ac whole square equal to 0. Therefore, 2b square minus 2ac equal to 0 if we take the square root. Then this will be equal to 2b square is equal to 2ac. 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, b square is equal to ac. This is the required answer. So they have asked us to find out the value of b square. So b square is nothing but equal to ac. And we'll go for the next one in type 3. Find the discriminant of quadratic equation. So we have to find out the discriminant of quadratic equation in which a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 2 by 3 and c is equal to minus 16. And the formula for this will be equal to b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So what we can do here, it will be like we will substitute everything, not 0, I'll take it as discriminant, d, that will be better. We need to find out discriminant. So b square minus 4ac, we don't know whether it has equal roots or unequal roots, so we'll just take it as d. B square is minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 4 and c is minus 1 by 16 equal to d. Now if you simplify this, we'll get 4 by 9. Then this will be 16 into minus into minus plus 16 equal to d. 16 and 16 gets cancelled. We are left with 4 by 9 plus 1 equal to d. And if it takes LCM, so it is 4 plus 9 equal to d. So therefore d is equal to 13 by 9. This is the answer. We'll go for the next one. Find the positive value of k for which both quadratic equations x square plus kx plus 64 is equal to 0 and x square minus 8x plus k equal to 0 will have real roots. They will have real roots. So we need to find out the value of k for which both are having real roots. Fine. We'll go here. It is b square minus 4ac, the discriminant, is greater than or equal to 0 to have real roots. Right? And now what is it they have given for us? The first one, x square plus kx plus 64. This is what they have given for us, is equal to 0. And we'll substitute a is equal to 1, b is equal to k, c is equal to 64. So that will be equal to, substitute things in this, you will get k square minus 4 into 1 into 64 is greater than or equal to 0. And that will be equal to k square minus 256 is greater than or equal to 0. K square is greater than or equal to 256, right? It is taken to right side. Therefore, k is greater than or equal to plus or minus square root of 256. Therefore, k is greater than or equal to plus or minus 16. So, this is the value. Either it is plus or minus. Then we will go for the second equation what they have given for us. They have given x square minus 8x plus k equal to 0. And we will take again the same thing, b square minus 4ac. A is 1, b is minus 8, c is k. So, b square minus 4ac, they have real roots, so greater than or equal to 0. Substituting these values, we will get minus 8 whole square minus 4 into 1 into k is greater than or equal to 0. So, this is equal to 64 minus 4k is greater than or equal to 0. Now, 64 is greater than or equal to 4k. We'll shift this here, then it will be plus. Now, what happens for 64 by 4 greater than or equal to 4 by 4k. So, this will be equal to 16 greater than or equal to k. So, k is greater than or equal to plus 16. Therefore, k is equal to 16. Both the equations are having the value 16 itself. So, they have the real roots. Both of them have the real roots for the value 16 plus 16. K is equal to 16 plus 16. They have asked positive value. So, we have taken that k is equal to plus 16. We'll go for the next one. The last kind of the numerical from part type 3. It is a pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular park of diameter 13 meters in such a way that the difference of its distances from two diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B on the boundary is 7 meters. Is it possible to do so? If yes, at what distance from the two gates should the pole be erected? So, this is the question given for us. We can see that they have clearly asked, they have given a statement and we have to find out whether the statement is possible or not mathematically. That's it. So, this is the last type of question in type 3, that is nature of roots. This is the diagram which I have drawn. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of the circular park of diameter 13 meters. So, diameter 13 meters and pole has to be fixed here at C, alright, and then in such a way that the difference of its distances from two diametrically opposite fixed points, gate A and gate B, is 7 meters. So, let us take a look about what all they have given for us. Let BC is equal to x meters. I have taken this as x meters. The difference of the distances of the pole from the two gates, the difference of the distances of the two poles from the two gates. Is equal to 7 meters. Okay. Now, that is therefore what we can take AB minus BC, right? This AB minus BC or BC minus AB is equal to 7 meters. Now AB will be equal to how much? 7 plus BC. So AB will be equal to 7 plus BC. It is a difference. Difference means it can be either AB minus BC or BC minus AB. Okay. So I have taken this AB is equal to 7 plus BC. They have given it difference is 7 meters. So AB is equal to 7 plus BC. Therefore AB is equal to 7 plus x meters. Oh no, I have to take not AB here, it is AC. AC. This is AC. This is also AC. So AC is equal to 7 plus x meters. So this is 7 plus x. Okay. And now what we have to do? We can apply Pythagoras theorem because this is equal to 90 degree. Since it is this angle C is in triangle ABC. Angle C is equal to 90 degree. And it is the angle at semicircle. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay. This is 90 because it is at the angle at the semicircle, and this is diameter. AB is the diameter. Therefore, this is 90 degree. And hence we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, AB square is equal to, oh, this is gone here. Okay. AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. And now AB is the hypotenuse. Therefore, we have to take in that way. AB is 13 square is equal to BC. We have taken as x. So x square plus AC we have got 7 plus x whole square. And 13 square is 169 is equal to x square plus 7 plus x is in the form of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we will apply this identity here. It will be 7 square plus x square plus 14x, and x square plus x square, it is 2x square plus 14x plus 7 square is nothing but 49, and this is minus 169 equal to 0. That will be 2x square plus 14x plus minus 120 equal to 0. We can simplify this whole thing dividing by 2. We'll get x square plus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Now we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to minus 60, and apply the quadratic equation formula. We'll get x is equal to minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Minus b is minus 7 plus r minus square root of 7 square plus minus 4 into 1 into minus 60 divided by 2a, 2 into 1. Now x is equal to minus 7 plus r minus square root of it is, oh sorry, I have to Now in triangle ABC, angle C will be equal to 90 degree. Why it is 90 degree? Because it is the angle at the circumference of semicircle. Therefore, we know that it is equal to 90 degree. So this is 90 because this is AB is the diameter and this is in the angle is at the semicircle. And we can apply, therefore we can apply Pythagoras theorem. And if you apply Pythagoras theorem, it will be equal to AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. Let us substitute the values of all these sides. It will be 13 square is equal to BC is nothing but x square plus AC is 7 plus x whole square. And if we simplify, 169 is equal to x square, and this is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so we get x square plus 49, 7 square is 49 plus 2 into 7 is 14x, and this is 2x, so 2x square plus 14x plus 49. Shifting this to the right side, we'll get 169 equal to 0, minus 169 equal to 0. And if we simplify this, we'll get 2x square plus 14x minus 120 equal to 0. Dividing the whole thing by 2 to simplify and make our solution easy. 7x square plus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. And we should find out whether this is possible or not, because they have given us is it possible to do so, they have asked. So we have to find out whether it is possible or not. That is, we need to find out the discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac, which should be greater than or equal to 0. Then only it is possible, otherwise not possible. So a is what? 1. B is what? 7, and C is minus 60. Substituting these values here, it will be equal to 7 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 60. So that is 49 plus it will be 240. So that is equal to 289, which is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, it is possible. Now we need to find out the roots. That is, we need to find out the sides. The x and 7 plus x is how much? What we can do is, like, we can take x is equal to quadratic equation, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x is equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 7 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 60 divided by 2a. Not necessary to substitute all these things because we have already done here d. So we can directly substitute that. X is equal to minus 7 plus or minus, it is square root of 289, which we have done it, divided by 2a. 2a is 2 into 1. So x is equal to minus 7 plus or minus root of 289 is nothing but 17 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 7 minus 17 by 2, or x is equal to minus 7 plus 17 by 2. Now, it will be x is equal to minus 7 minus 17 by 2, that is equal to how much? We have to find out that. It is minus 25 by 2. 24 by 2. So that is x is equal to minus 12 meters, which is not possible. Since the side cannot be negative, it is ruled out. Let us take a look about this. X is equal to 17 minus 7 is 10 by 2, that is 5 meters. So 5 meters, which is right, correct answer. So x is equal to 5. And then the next one, that is they have asked us to find out at what distance from the two gates should the pole be erected. So x from B it is 5 meters, and from A how much it is. So we have to find out A also. That is x plus 7 meters is equal to 7 plus 5, that is 12 meters. So one is 5 meters, that is BC, and another one is 12 meters, that is AC. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.